If you are an online coach or course creator, you're likely looking to grow your business by enrolling more new clients, whether you're just starting out or have been at it for several years. And there's so many voices in your head and advice coming at you from the world all around you, making different suggestions on the fastest way to grow. It can make your head spin. Today, we're going to talk about 4 key things that if you focus your attention on them will grow your business the most. These 4 functions in your business have the biggest impact, and you want to know if there's opportunities to refine any of these 4 areas in your business so that you aren't losing out on new clients who are right in front of you. Stay with me to the end because the last factor might be the secret to where you'll find your next new client. My name is Jessie, and I help online experts and small business owners convert more new clients through having very effective sales calls. What I can tell you is that powerful sales conversations are the fastest way to enroll more new clients, make more money, and grow your business. So if sales growth resonates with you and you bring clients into your business with sales calls, this is the place for you. We're glad you're here to join us. And if you're new to the channel, I want to invite you to subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified every time I upload new videos. And if you're a returning visitor, then thank you for joining me. I trust this video will give you a fresh perspective that you can immediately apply to your business. Okay, what online coach, expert, or course creator doesn't want to grow their business and have more new clients? And regardless of what type of business you have, what industry you're in, or if you're a solopreneur, small business owner with just a few employees, or a huge corporation, these 4 factors are key for all businesses. I see them like 4 cogs in the engine of your business machine. And if you're off on any one of them, you are wasting time. You're wasting money and energy without optimizing your return of time and money. And that just prolongs your business growth and success. So let's jump in and look at each one. So the first cog is lead generation. This is all about getting people into your business machine, reaching out to and getting attention from a new audience who may not know you. And it's also getting the attention of people who may know you but just haven't entered your business sphere yet. It's all about exposure and awareness to who you are and what you do. Every single one of your clients starts out as a lead at some point, so leads are vital to feed into the rest of the machine if you want it to run. So when it comes to lead generation, I like to ask, are you targeting your ideal clients where they are hanging out? Inside my program, I like to refer to it as being the ice cream truck on the beach. You want to be smack in the middle of where your people are spending time looking for answers. If you're on a beach and it's hot, that ice cream truck with all those pictures of the various flavors and cool treats just sitting there all day will draw customers like bees to honey. And that's what you want to do too. Go to where your clients will see you. Meet them where they are. Now, this may take a bit of testing to find out where your real audience finds you. You can gather this information by engagement, of course, but that doesn't give you a complete picture. Maybe consider both paid sources and organic sources. And then you're going to ask which is most effective. Well, and that may depend on your audience, but I like to test both. And once you have that lead on a sales call, ask that lead, how did you find me? This is a great way to know which lead source brings you people who are ready to talk to you on a call. The last thing I see that can be challenging with lead generation is that we forget to speak our clients' language in our messaging. Have you ever been to a doctor and need to make them slow down and explain things to you in normal human language, not doctorese? We need to be aware of this as well, or our outreach will go right over our ideal clients' heads and they won't see us at all. So while lead generation is necessary, it can also be an ongoing cost to you. In time, for sure, and offer in money if you're going with paid advertising and outreach. Now, the second cog in the machine is refining your offer. The question starts with who do you serve and how do you serve them? Once you've solidified that, your offer needs to stand out from the crowd. This is the second cog in the business machine because if your offer is off, it doesn't really solve something for people, or produce great results for your clients, it's going to be hard to enroll new clients on a sales call. So you want to consider all the elements of your offer, which include the specific details of what your client buys, your messaging, the promotion, which is how you get your offer in front of people, your pricing, the sales urgency tools you use. All of these need to come together in a way that makes your offer incredibly appealing to your client, where people really want this offer and it's hard to say no to. Again, you will know if it works by testing it out on your real customers. They will tell you if it's working or not. If you're having trouble enrolling new clients, even though you're having sales calls, you might need to do some tweaking on your offer. Think about some of the products out there on the market. Take Chick-fil-A, for example. They have a very specific messaging, right? Think about the cow talking about how people should eat chicken. They also do a lot of public messaging around how special their employees are. Now, how awesome is that? They even create some scarcity in their offer by being closed for business on Sunday. Now, I know they're closed for other reasons, but still, if you want Chick-fil-A over the weekend, you better get there on Saturday. They do a great job of being different from their competition and having a lot of loyal fans as a result. So take a company like that as your example. You want to create an offer that provides an extraordinary experience and results for your clients. And then your goal is to structure the entire offer, right? The actual product the client gets, the messaging, the promotion, the urgency tools, your pricing. And from my corporate life, we always talked about the 5 Ps: product, pricing, promotion, positioning, and the person who's doing the selling. These factors are what you need to look at, the levers that you need to tweak to get your offer selling optimally, where it's truly magnetic to your prospect. Now, refining your offer doesn't necessarily cost you money, and it doesn't directly bring you in money, but it is the vehicle that makes this next step so much easier. Cog number 3 on the machine is maximizing your sales conversions for the leads who are in front of you on that sales call. For me, it's really connecting to and helping that person who is in front of you looking for solutions to their situation. Now, the sales call conversation is the first real contact our future clients have with us. It's where they meet us and where we meet them for the first time, really meet them. Yes, they may have seen our content or ads from the lead generation we're doing, but this is where it's real. Decisions are made if they like us, if they trust us, and the same for them. A lot of impressions are made very quickly on the call. This is where the rubber meets the road, where we have a lot to prove to our potential future clients. It's where we start building a relationship, where we have a big opportunity to share our company values with the client, to show them what it would be like to work with us, to understand deeply what the potential client is looking to resolve or change, to show them they can trust us, to help them understand we will be an outstanding guide for them. And if done well, the sales conversation builds a bond that really draws someone to want to work with us. We have the opportunity to explain our unique and special offer and weave that into a very personalized approach to helping that client reach their goal. The sales conversation helps your ideal client feel seen and heard while also shining a light on the path that can help them achieve a very specific goal. This makes an effective, systematic, and caring conversation, what I like to call a magnetic sales conversation, the easiest and fastest way to enroll new clients. It's simply because your client gets a real sense of what it would be like to work with you during that call. And that makes sales calls highly effective vehicles to use to enroll more new clients and grow your business. As parts of your business machine, your sales calls are one of the few actions that happen to bring money into your business, bring new clients into your community, and gives you the opportunity to change lives. The fourth and final cog of your business machine is follow-up. Follow-up is the outreach to anyone who comes into your business sphere. Now, you get follow-up all the time. Your email inbox won't let you forget it. But how much of that follow-up is effective? When done effectively, follow-up brings you your next client easily. Follow-up keeps your business sphere interested in your offerings. Follow-up builds bonds and continues relationships in a somewhat one-sided added manner though, but still it continues those relationships. So how do you make your follow-up effective? My experience has shown me that the most effective follow-up takes into account who you're targeting with that specific piece of follow-up. Is it your entire mail list? Is it the people who have opted into your lead magnet? Is it your current clients? Is it the people you've just had a sales conversation with over the last month who didn't enroll with you? Is it the person who you had a sales conversation with 2 days ago? My opinion is that the most effective follow-up is different for each of these groups. Not that you can't include everyone on this list in your weekly email or newsletter. You certainly can. But you really want to think about segmenting your people into separate follow-up opportunities to increase the personalization of your message to each of these groups. For example, you could segment out your current clients and message them on occasion to ask for referrals, possibly even offering incentives or bonuses for referring anyone new who enrolls with you. Or you could segment out people who have opted into a particular lead magnet and follow up with them on content that is specific to the topic of that lead magnet. And you should definitely follow up with the person you just spoke to 2 days ago on a sales call with a very specific and personal message related to the conversation that you just had with them. The thing that makes follow-up most effective is the more personal you can make it to the specific groups you serve. And you want to be consistent as well. People are busy, so at times it feels like your follow-up goes unheard, but persevere. It's in the consistency of your follow-up that you will find more new clients. So how are you managing on your follow-up now? Are you lumping it all into a whole group and treating everyone the same? Or are you taking the time to maximize the relationships that you've developed and handle follow-up more personally for those who are closer to you, warmer contacts, so to speak? There's generally a huge opportunity for refinement in this category to make your business machine even more successful. Now, while each of these topics could really be its own course, program, or certainly separate YouTube video for sure, I wanted to put the pieces of these important elements together for you so you can see how each impacts the next and how important it is to identify how they work individually for the overall success of the entire process of enrolling new clients. These 4 key factors deserve your intentional focus to make sure you're maximizing each and every interaction with every person you speak to. These 4 things are like the food that feeds your business. You feed it junk, it's not going to function well. You feed it well, and you can accomplish those big dreams you've set for yourself. And what happens if you focus on these 4 factors minimally? You're spending most of your time building your website or creating graphics for new content, or you're taking another course or program on how to post to new social media platforms. Well, you want to keep in mind what keeps your business alive, and that 80-20 rule, right? 20% of your activities will give you 80% of your results. Your 20% activities include lead generation, refining your offer, mastering your sales call conversations, and doing effective follow-up. These activities will create 80% of your business results, so are definitely worth putting at the top of your daily focus list and incorporate into your quarterly goals targets. If you like what you're hearing, please be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell to be notified of new videos, and hit the like button too. And I'd really appreciate it if you know other online experts who would like to fine-tune their sales conversations, share this with them too. As you may see, I'm all about non-pushy, heart-centered sales methods that can really help you enjoy selling in a way that's in alignment with you and your business values, yet is wildly effective in bringing on new clients. And learning these nuances of the sales calls can change your business so quickly. My clients have doubled and tripled their sales conversion rates in as little as 8 weeks. So these tips work for them. They can work for you too. One more thing, I've dropped some free resources in the links below, like notifications of our next free live training workshop, free sales objection handling checklists, and a link to book a growth strategy session with me if you're looking for more immediate impact to your business. My goal is to help more small business owners reach entirely new levels of success by simply helping them convert more new clients on the sales calls that they're already having. Simple as and easy as that. Now, thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you next week with more sales tips to keep you out of that pushy and pressure-filled sales zone, yet still signing up more and more new clients each and every day. Have a great week, my friends.